Hello everyone, this is John from GARANTİ Roasters. I'm Sales and Operation Manager of the company. I would like to give a short, maybe a bit detailed introduction of our ongoing project named SMARTFLOW 4. Actually, this is a production line consisting of the roasting, stocking, the weighting, blending, and also the grinding and flavoring station. So this is a production line project, the processing 4 tons per day with starting roasting system. So basically, most of you know that we start with the green bean loading, just the left side of my the positions equipment. This is a pneumatic loader, and also the weight scale is integrated that we are calculating the input of the system. Then we like to loading the green beans into hopper of the roasting system, and we make the ATLANTICA 120 ready to roast the batch. The ATLANTICA series are directly heated roasting system, which is integrated with the premix burner, and double wall drum is adjusted. And this drum is special designed. This is cast iron designed drum. This is the produced upon request from our customer. And as you know, the all roasting machines has to produce with the chaff collector, and our chaff collectors are producing with the discharging system to empty the chaffs and the dust populated from the roasting phase. So this is directly focusing on eliminating and reducing the fire risk during the production, and of course reducing the emissions. We like to integrate the afterburner as an essential equipment for the roasting process. And also this is a really important part note from us, that afterburners making the roasting process better due to the airflow. For the long term, you can increase the machine lifetime with the better airflow inside of the machine, and then exhaust and the afterburner. When airflow is getting better, of course the convection heat is getting better, so which means that we can say the more continuous production is served to the potential users, we can say. After roasting, of course, we need to cool down in 4 minutes, and less than 4 minutes sometimes. And we have the pretty fastened cooling process and cooling tray, controlled with the automation panel of the roasting system. As a second station, of course, after the post-roasting, this is a really crucial material, the equipment named Destoner, which is separating the stones and the metals from the roasted beans. This is not an actual vibration separation. This is an air vacuuming separation, which means that the high weighted the materials are going to fall, and the roasted beans, the light ones, are vacuumed to the silos of the Destoner. After Destoner, the roasted beans stored in the silo of the Destoner, it is calculated, weighted again. So this time we calculate the output of the batch. So what we did, at first we calculate the input with the pneumatic bean loader, then the output from the Destoner weight, where we can measure the efficiency of the batch, we can say, because the loss from each batch is really important for especially the high volume production lines. So this is a really major point that we deliver with SMARTFLOW 4. After the Destoner, we have the filling station. You can see the four different significant industrial silos. Each silo has 1 ton capacity. So you can use the all day long the roasting machine, and you can fill the all day long the industrial silos according to your recipe. You can select significantly the industrial silo 1, 2, 3, or 4. You can convey the roasted beans to the selected industrial roaster. Of course, we do use SCADA system to monitor and also control to the stocking phase of the production line, and of course this is linked to directly our automation roasting system, roasting software, I will say. And after this stocking, of course, what we are going to do, we can grind, we can pure the single origin beans, or we can blend. At this project, the SMARTFLOW 4, after stocking, we have weighting scale, the feature integrated, which means that imagine that you have a 400 blend capacity, and you like to blend the roasted beans from silo 1 and the silo 3 and the silo 1 from 30 percentage, and from the third silo you like to receive the beans 70 percentage out of 400. So basically, we are the commanding to the panel, and we have the measured roasted beans from each industrial silos according to blending recipe. And here, after the stocking and blending, of course, we have the phase of grinding. Actually, the Garanti Roasters was found to produce especially the Turkish coffee grinding machines, and then we evolved our business into the roasting and then serving the production facilities. So basically, this is our specially expertise and the pioneer brand identity in Turkey. And this project is directly focused on the Turkish coffee, and especially with the cardamom flavor. So what we are going to do, we got the blends from the industrial silos, then we mix from with the blending, the mixing equipment, and then we stored again to keep it as a whole bean, or to grind, to bean to be ground. So please come. This is a station named the grinding station, but we are saying that after blending, we convey the beans to be ground to silo 1, silo 2, or silo 3. According to the setting level, 2 machines are produced to grind only Turkish coffee, but those are the specialized steel disc, which means that they are processed to strength according to the moisture, high moisture level. And those grinders can be used also all round grinding machines. You can use for the filter coffee, espresso needs, and of course the Turkish fine. We can reduce till 90 microns, not below. 90, 100 microns, you can have a result for Turkish fine output. After, we stored again in order to let them ground Turkish coffee cool down. Maybe sometimes 1 hour, sometimes 8 hours, depending on how the system works efficiently. And at this level, the customer can have two options to add flavor. First, they can add flavor uh, before grinding, or they can add flavor after grinding, because those the resting silos after the post grinding session, this is still mixing the mixing parts integrated. So you can add the flavor, and still you can have a homogeneous, well distributed the flavor as a result of the system. After that, of course, the last part will be the packaging part, and we have a business partner who can deliver that solution for us. Thanks for everyone who is watching us today. I would really appreciate to give a small or brief introduction about our facility solution named SMARTFLOW 4. Of course, it was just the brief story. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to call us and email us. And also, all information commented below. See you soon.